In this video, you'll learn how to harvest Memecoin on Binance Launchpool. By following these steps, you will be able to stake your assets and collect your rewards efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Binance website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, look for the Finance tab in the main navigation menu. Hover over it and a drop-down will appear. From this menu, select Launchpool to enter the Launchpool section where you can find various staking options. Within the Launchpool interface, you will see different pools available for staking. Look specifically for the Memini coin pool. Click on it to view detailed information, including the staking duration, rules, and potential rewards. It is important to note that the rewards you earn will depend on the size of your stake. Before proceeding, ensure that your account has sufficient balance in BNB or supported assets to participate in the staking process. Next, select the appropriate staking pool for Memecoin. You will see an option to stake BNB or other supported assets. Click on the stake button next to your chosen asset. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter the amount you wish to stake. Review the information carefully and confirm your selection. Once you stake your assets, rewards will begin accumulating automatically. You can monitor your earnings directly from your dashboard where the progress of your stake will be displayed. Remember that unstaking your assets is usually flexible, but avoid withdrawing too early to maximize your rewards. After accumulating rewards, the next step is to harvest your Memecoins. If manual claiming is required, return to the Memecoin pool and look for the harvest button. Click on this button to initiate the claiming process. Following that, check your spot wallet balance to confirm that the Memi rewards have been credited. Typically, rewards are distributed daily, so you may want to check back regularly. Decide whether you prefer to trade your rewards or hold them for potential future gains. It is also wise to save a record of your reward history for your personal tracking. In case you experience any delays in receiving your rewards, it is advisable to contact Binance support for assistance. They can provide guidance and help resolve any issues related to This step ensures that you have successfully harvested your Memi coins and are aware of your current balance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.